drop top to take a look at a unique Specialty and Classics 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. As you can see by the hood, 400 V8 underneath it, and that is correct on this car. YC block, so it'd be era correct, 1967. 400, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Take a good look at the chrome. Front grille. Paint on this car shows well. Be a good one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. Popular hood-mounted tack. Also a Y code paint, so it would be Mayfair Maze, I believe it would have been in Pontiac. Interior still retains black vinyl seats, the way it would have been produced back in 1967. The 400 is paired up with an automatic transmission. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, interior, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Pontiac Motor Division wheels. And that rally style wheel. Good looking on this vehicle. Also looks much as the way it would have back in 1967. If you're familiar with the convertibles and what they are affectionately called the cocktail shakers, in each corner, the trunks, each corner, and then the front up kind of underneath the hood, right behind the grille in each corner, those are intact. They were known to stiffen up the rigidity of the convertibles. There was a good look at the interior. There is an aftermarket Alpine stereo installed in there, but they did retain the factory Delco. This is a power top car, black vinyl, and here at the end of the video we are going to run that up so you can take a look at it. It does come with the parade boot or the convertible boot. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It'll also come with a car cover or dust cover if you have it in the garage. That'll be in the trunk. And once again, check out those still pictures so you can see this car from every angle. Underside, interior, trunk at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. Rear seat appears free of rips, tears, holes. Vinyl's in nice condition. And not really notice any in the front either. Of course, the center console with the automatic. Door panels. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And we'll check out the engine bay and we'll get that top up too. See, it starts easily. Oil pressure gauge popped right up also. That was a cold start, so I didn't expect that temperature gauge to move at all. Tack does work out here if you can check that out. Tack is working. Blower fan works here. This is the radio. Did not have anything coming out of that. Aftermarket Alpine. Did have that one work. And the wipers did work. Turn that back down. Dash, everything looks good. I don't see any cracks or fading or anything like that. Of course, easy to tell a 67 compared to a 68 or 9. Only one with the wing windows. Gen 1s. Dual exhaust, a little rumble coming out of that 400. All right. Take a look at the underside too. There may be some new exhaust components underneath there. I can't remember off the top of my head, but take a peek at those underside pictures. I'll tell you where to see those here in just a bit. I want to pop this hood, check out the engine bay, then we're going to run up that top and we'll wrap this video up. There we go, the hood popped. So again, error correct, YC block 400. I could not confirm it being numbers matching. So want to make sure that is clear. Power steering, power brakes. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Heater hoses are still hooked up. 4-barrel carb, electric choke. Does have a little battery tender here already built in. You want to plug that in, keep a trickle charger on that battery. There you go. Get an idea how it runs. Now I'm going to close that up, shut her down. It is a power top, so we're going to run up the black vinyl power top, and we'll finish off taking a look at that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is with the top up. Again, black vinyl top. See, it fits nicely above the windshield. It is power. Goes up under its own power. Of course, snugs down there nice and tight. As you can see, I really notice it's pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes. Rear window in it is fine. Over here to the passenger side. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or keep you dry, whatever the case may be, definitely will work out. No problems there. So there you have it. Good looking top, good condition. Matches up with the rest of the car. 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.